Okay. Let me hit you with one of these. Friends, I'm sorry. I recorded a video recently. I was gonna edit it, put it together, put it on the channel. But that's something I didn't do. I got some good footage, but it didn't really fit my style, my vibe. And today, I'm just breaking it to you. We're going to the farm.
Look at our accommodations for the weekend. Look at that porch.
Chickies, Bogart, Bogart.
You're the lookout.
Bogart, gang, high five. You do high five? No, you lick, I guess. Gonna go see the chickens. We just got on the farm. This front is gonna be where I try to photograph the hummingbirds in the morning, but we're gonna get over to the barn here with our freaking barn dog Bogart. Luca and I are just gonna check out the chickens, see how they're doing. I think they're in the farm now. They're much bigger. They actually started laying eggs recently, so a lot of what we're gonna eat in the mornings is gonna be fresh from here, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be delicious. So let's get in. They're doing a little cuckooing. Oh my gosh, yo, they are so big now. They are huge. So if you guys can't tell, these are chickens. Chickens. If you hear by the sound, chickens. What you got, Bogart? Stick? Got a stick? He's gonna bring it with him. Later.
I love the colors, man.
Look at that. You freaking own a farm, you get chickens, and you get farm fresh eggs.
Get farm fresh eggs.
Look at how good they are. So what? How'd you you just freaking, where do they put them? Where do they drop them?
In the corners.
In the corners? You just walk in and pick. So you don't have them outside anymore?
I will, but right now they're imprinting on their new space.
They're like getting used to it?
Yeah, I gotta give them some water. But yeah, we're
That's
got
cool.
eggs.
You're freaking farmer,
We
Evie.
got eggs. And then there's supposed to be salmon that's supposed to be flowing through this river. I haven't seen any yet.
Oh yeah, you mentioned that before.
This was all flooded. I showed you that picture, right?
No. Show me the picture.
So he goes up like this, and you leave him hanging. So then he goes like,
Thank you.
Just left me hanging. Just left me hanging. What? It's life on the farm.
Wait, especially.
We get some pictures.
No, I just want, just chill there. Yeah, this is, don't matter. This is, you don't get this in the city, I tell you. This ain't the same sun.
Cheers in the sun. Here you go.
The holy two. Good morning, friends. Enjoy yourself. I hope you're having a good weekend, whatever you're doing. Sorry, I couldn't capture hummingbird content today. That's pretty much why I'm just hitting you with this quick intro right now. I did capture frogs in the pond. I woke up pretty late this morning, but the reason I couldn't capture the hummingbirds is because it's too cold. I think they're not coming around anymore. It's kind of like the pollinators, the bees, they're not, it's October now, so it is getting a little colder for them. The seasons are changing, but I hope you appreciate all that frog content. I'm kind of sitting here enjoying my morning. I did some writing. Again, it's just so relaxing to get away from the city. I had goals. I had an idea of the type of photo I want to capture, but I'm still enjoying everything I had an idea of the photo I wanted to capture, what I wanted to do with the hummingbird, but now I'm still enjoying myself. It doesn't matter. I was able to get some writing done today. As you know, I'm working on a book. It's a fantasy series. I don't know if it's going to be 1, 2, 3 books, but It's definitely gonna be 2 books, and I did some writing on that, and it felt pretty productive. So I'm just enjoying the morning here, like I said, seeing some squirrels run around. There's some kittens now. They have barn kittens. Yeah, they have barn kittens on the farm. There's stuff running around, so I'm trying to capture some of that as well. But I think we're going to go cut some trees down. And cut some trees down. Look at this apple. This apple, it looks great. It's gonna taste delicious. No. Farm fresh apple, baby. Oh.
That's the big boy.
It's beautiful. They're just running around. Get him! Get him!
Oh, it's going! It's going!
Bro, you gotta bring a little gas burner out here and wait and have the frying pan ready and then just out of the butthole, crack it, fry it up, eat it. And see what that tastes like.
Quick update, friends. It is difficult when you're on the farm trying to have fun, doing a lot of stuff, hacking at trees. I did some of that. So it's difficult to speak to the camera when you're doing all that. My brother and I have just been kind of capturing whatever we've been doing. We had a beautiful breakfast. Chickens laid great eggs. We had those, we cracked them in the pan, had some bacon. So like we had literal farm fresh eggs. You've seen the footage, of course, of the chickens. I have a bunch of it. My brother got a bunch of it, but they're just hanging out here. They're like running around. Alex, my buddy, is coming over. He's moving to Vancouver in about a month with his wife Esther. I shot their wedding photos like about a couple months ago. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna miss them. I love them. I hope the best for them. That's what tonight's gonna be about. We're gonna have all the good vibes, and yeah. That's the farm lifestyle, friends. I hope you enjoyed coming along the journey with us, going along the road trip. It was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the photos we captured because, like I said, the lighting out there was beautiful. The animals, very active. Apparently the last night on the Sunday morning around 3 o'clock, there was coyotes and they were super active. Sounded like they had some prey. Sounded like they captured some. We're trying to feed off. They give it to the cubs. CJ and Evie said there was maybe 3 or 4 of them. A little pack. So hopefully when I get out there in going back in a month, I will definitely bring the camera. I'll bring you guys along. You could enjoy the journey again. So take care. Peace, love, positivity. It's a gloomy day now. It's not nice. It's not nice, but the farm was beautiful. Life is beautiful. Take care. Ending notes.
Yeah, the farm was beautiful. The farm was beautiful, and I missed the chickens. That's the only note I got.
The chickens.
That's all I cared about was the chickens.
The chickens!